think this is just to divert our attention from China. Why would they label the soil topsoil? They know what they're digging up.
They're sending our Midwest topsoil, our richest topsoil, back to China to pay some of the interest on our debt. They can't legally seize our ground and give it to the Chinese, but there's...
Listen to this.
Sounds sketchy. What do you think, guys?